There was a time when we used to only create AI images or AI videos, but now we can literally create AI music without having an instrument and without singing. Yes, you heard me right. And this is what we are gonna talk about in this video. Hi, my name is Mohit Samaria and you are watching Mohit Experience. In this video, I will be telling you how can you create AI music without instrument and without singing. So make sure you watch this video till the end, subscribe this channel, click the bell icon button, and if you want these videos or these ideas in less time, so make sure you follow me on my Insta handle. Now let me tell you how can you create AI music.
So yeah, so yes, as you can see, I have come on my laptop window. My laptop screen recording is not working, so I sorry for that. So to create AI music, what you have to do, just go to Google Gemini. I am a GeoSim user, so I have access of using Google Gemini Pro. And if you don't have, I think you might also be able to use Google Gemini the music option. So let me show you how to create AI music. So these are my chat, and by using this you can start new chat. I'm using Google Gemini Pro. Just go to this option. Here you will see lots of things: upload files, add from drive, canvas, deep city research, create videos, more tools, and here you are able to see create music. So as you tap on this create music, this interface will open in front of you. Now if you want to create AI music, so what you need to keep in your mind, you should have some reference and you should be knowing which type of music do you really want to create. So let's say I want to create a Hindi music, motivational Hindi music, and let's see what it gives us. So yeah, as you can see, I have written create a Hindi motivation song, and just go to this, and now it will start creating a Hindi motivation song. This much, this is easy. You can also create AI music for free. I think for free. I don't know. I am using Google Gemini Pro version, and this music option will definitely be on the like would be on free version. I think, I don't know, but you can also use this option. And as you can see, I have written very simple line: create a Hindi motivation song. And if you have some knowledge about music, about instrument, so you can write in your prompt. And the main essence of this short line, just I would just want to tell you, you don't need to write big prompt. If you want, so you can write lab. But if you don't know how to write prompt and how to write, I know how to write context prompt, but not much about image generation, video generation. So if you don't know promptings, don't worry, still you can create your AI music. And as you can see, it has started. It will take some time. Let it be, then I'll show you. So yeah, as you can see, Gemini has created a Hindi motivation song for me. Let me just play this. शहर में गूंजती है राख, ढेर में ढूंढता हूँ निशान, खामोशी के शहर में गूंजती है जुबान। आग तो कब की होती, मगर दिल के कोने में डर। लोग कहते हैं ये रास्ता मुश्किल बड़ा, मैं कहता हूँ मेरा हौसला है खड़ा। So yeah, as you can see, I just wrote very simple line, create a Hindi motivation song, and it has created this song for me. And let's say if you have some lines, and if you know, if you have written some lines and now you want to create a music, and first of all you want to check if this will work well or not. So still you can write your line here and add create a music by using this line. This is easy. You can't, I can't even tell you where AI is going. And yeah, this was the video. So this is what I wanted to tell you. By using this thing, you can also create AI music in any language. So this was the video. If you found this video helpful, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon button, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a video on any topic. I'll see you in the next video.